So here I am in Microsoft Word, and we have a certain group of text, a certain group of paragraphs that are available here. I will just try to increase the size here. Here we go. So now that it is easy for me to see, I can see that Microsoft Word has given me some red lines. You have these red squiggly lines just below these, and you can understand that if you look carefully, they are misspelled words. And Microsoft Word's spelling and grammatical checker is already doing the job of scanning the entire document and then understanding where it has actually found the spelling mistakes. So let us try to make the corrections. Now I can manually go to the line, go to the word, and I can basically choose to correct it. Okay, now if I do not really understand which word was this exactly, I can simply right click on it. It will give me the correct word. So I will just click on it. Further to this, if I want to basically change the rest of the document and I want a particular tool in order to scan the entire document and then find out what are the grammatical errors or spelling mistakes, then I can go to my review tab and I can click on the spelling and grammar checker or F7 as a shortcut key. So here I have the proofing. So I'll just take this out, keep it here. Perfect. Now I can either choose to add it to dictionary if the word is something that I will be using constantly in my word, or basically something that is common to me but uncommon to Microsoft Word. So I can choose it to add to dictionary, so it will ignore the spelling mistake. Otherwise, if I have it, I can basically choose to correct it from here. Now you can see that we have moon with an extra O, and the suggestions that it gives me is about the moon of the correct spelling. So I will choose to select it and it gets changed. So you can see that here it is now changed to MOON. Further to this, I have another word here, that is inclination. Here I am also getting the suggestion and the thesaurus of the particular word. So the word with some other meaning, like the meaning remains the same, but it is basically the other words within it. So it gives me an idea, okay, what this word would suggest. So that is why I can see that inclination is there. I'll just select it. Even this particular word, it's supposed to be visual. I am getting all the different types of suggestions that may contribute to that particular word with different types of grammatical errors. So I'm just selecting visual, and then I get this dialog box saying the spelling and grammar check is complete. So I click on OK. Perfect. So this is basically how the spelling and grammar is working.